How to sign in WhatsApp on laptop. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can sign in WhatsApp on laptop. Now, first of all, you need to download and install the WhatsApp. For that, you can open any default store on your device. I'm going to open Microsoft Store. Now you want to type WhatsApp, then click on the Get or Install option. Once WhatsApp has been installed, launch it open. Now click on Get Started. So if you want to log in using QR code, then you want to open WhatsApp on your phone, tap the menu option, then click on Settings. Now tap Linked Devices and then click on Link a Device. Now point your phone at the screen to capture this QR code. You can also log in by using phone number. For that, select your country or region from here. Then enter your phone number and click on the next option. Now open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the menu icon, then head over to settings. Now tap on link devices. Then you simply want to enter this code on your phone. Now choose whichever method you want, and after that, as you can see, WhatsApp is now downloading the recent messages and you will be successfully signed into WhatsApp on your laptop. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.